At SM, we like to draw a lot of inspiration from nature and the way nature creates a beautiful silhouette and plays with lighting and pattern and texture and color in a beautiful way. And we do that through our material choices. So that would be our choice in components, and specifically in this case with the design of our sink is very reminiscent of how nature plays in a literal sense. So, getting into the spatial layout of the half bath and powder room, the design itself was driven by two very big but yet close to home thoughts. Starting off with a CAD sketch of the actual space, I create the as-built drawings, and from there I'm able to lay out the entire plan as I see fit to serve both function with aesthetic beauty and sustainability. This gives us a real sense of size and dimension and how the human figure plays or functions within that space. It also gives me more of an opportunity in creating that clean canvas and producing my as-built drawings, which then gives us sort of like a foundation on which all of the layout for tiling, lighting, treatment on the wall. So that would be your faucets, and if you're doing any kind of tiling, that will give you that opportunity to know exactly where what will go. And then also helps you create your demolition plan. This approach makes most logical sense for an as-built space, but if you're working with a new build, then your professional, that would be your architect or your interior designer, depending on which route you took, will provide you with the schematics to give you a full sense of what kind of space you're working with. And then you can have more control in your material choices. This approach makes most logical sense for an existing building because it gives my entire team direction on what the demolition plan looks like, what the lighting plan looks like, and what the fixtures and fittings looks like in terms of like tiling, faucet placement, the sinks, the lavatory, the water closet itself, and just allows us to move in a directive that makes most sense.